We have all been there, opening up the YouTube app and looking at all of the numbers, our view count, our subscriber count, of the likes, comment, and all of that stuff. But there is one thing all of us how to make YouTube videos and how to grow on YouTube creators are not telling you. And in order to me to tell you and help you to have this sort of new key that you can use to unlock new successful content, I will need to explain something first. So imagine that you are a musician and you are creating songs, you are practicing and boom, all of a sudden you are on stage. And even though you have been preparing yourself and practicing, when you are on stage and you have a bunch of people all of a sudden watching you, you can get really nervous. And in order for us to prepare ourselves, we need to have a different mindset. You see, even though you have been watching all of the numbers, the ticket sales and all of this stuff, if it's your first time performing on a stage, you will need some practice. It can be really good to have a smaller stage with just the family members and stuff like that in the beginning, and that can be the same thing for your YouTube channel. The thing is, when you are posting new videos on your channel, you're basically practicing for that big concert. My point is that you need to present yourself as you have a big channel. What do I mean about this? I mean, if you have a big YouTube channel and you have 1 million views on your videos, you're probably changing the way you behave. If I tell you tomorrow when you're posting your next video, it will blow up. And if I, for some reason, could see in the future and know for a fact that that video will blow up and I convinced you, you will definitely change the way you behaved. I have spent a lot of time fixing my background and I try to smile and be happy, but I definitely have moments where I need to think about, okay, my channel is not a small channel. You need to have that in your mind, and even though it can feel scary, the same thing happens when you are preparing yourself to stand on that stage. You're not going to stand on the stage, obviously. The thing is, we need to prepare in our mind that one day, randomly, you don't know, YouTube will take your video and show it to everyone. If you have a good title, thumbnail, and your content is good, people will share your videos. So have in your mind, I am a big YouTube channel. And I know it can sound a bit, I guess, cheesy. It can sound a bit like off-putting, but you need to think in this way, because if you present yourself in your next video like this, "Hello, welcome guys to a new video. I'm just here to tell you about my new guitar. I just bought it yesterday." People will click off. I know for a fact in my mind that I have a smaller channel at this point, but one day people will find my channel, they will go through all of the old videos and they will look and they will see this video that I'm posting right now and they will be like, oh, he's been big for a while, I guess. People don't care about the numbers. They care about being welcomed. They care about how you present the information to them, if you're slow, if you're fast. So every person out there, every viewer out there are just looking for the right YouTuber to explain or show off whatever they are looking for. And sometimes that can be you. So you have to have in your mind, I am a big channel, I am able to grow my channel, and you don't have to be on a high horse and you don't need to change yourself. Continue on being yourself, because that's the best thing that you can do, to be yourself. But I want you to have in your mind when you're creating your content that you're not creating for a smaller audience, you are creating for a big one. And if you want to know the secrets of creating a good clickable thumbnail, click this video right here, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. This is Bjorn, peace out, bye bye.